Hello there, good morning. Welcome to continuation of our tutorial. In our last tutorial, we were able to design our sign up page, which is we designed our sign in page and a sign up page like this. Okay, so today we're gonna look at the next page on our design, and the next page on our design is the request page. The request page is where a customer that is willing to send his or her request can simply fill a form and then order for a pickup. So we're gonna duplicate the sign in page because it's just merely a form, a full name, email, and some other information. So to do that, we're gonna open our editor and then we're gonna save this page as we're gonna save this page as what? Let's see, request pickup .html. So we're gonna save it as request pickup.html and work from there. Okay, good. Next we're gonna rename the title of the page to request pickup. That's this title here. I'm gonna rename the title of the page to request pickup. Okay, here is it. Okay, so we have the full name already, the email or phone, then we have the approximate weight of parcel. So this password field will be changed to approximate weight of parcel. Then we're gonna change the type now to text. Then the pickup location address. So that's gonna be done with what? A text area, since it's an address. So we're gonna duplicate this page, this section now, and then we change the label to pickup location slash address. So write pickup location slash address, and then we're gonna change the whole of this guy to text area. The classes are gonna remain the same. The type is gonna go right, class is the same. Then to close the text area, we close it with a close tag like this. However, I'm gonna give a style and make the height of the text area to be 60 pixels. That's like 2 lines. Then the next thing, I'm gonna duplicate this section for drop address or drop location slash address, right? That's where the parcel is going. So say drop location slash address. Now I'm gonna open this page to see how it looks. The request pickup page. Oh, here is it. Oh, you see the height of our container now is insufficient, so we're gonna increase the height. Let's see, where is it? Better still, we're gonna make it a minimum height, so it could adjust itself when the height is above the minimum, like this. Okay, so here we go. very nicely done. I love this. The next thing is our button. We have the next button, so we're gonna delete the sign in button and change this button to next, right? Okay, so this is the sign in button, so we delete the sign in button and then we change the sign up button to what? To next. So that when the person fill in the form and click next, what happens? It takes him to the next design, which is the payment page. Of course, he has to pay for the parcel delivery. Okay, so we're gonna create this page now. Although this page, so for now, because we're just designing, we're gonna make this next page to link to the other page. So we're gonna change the href now to let's see the name of the page, payment.html. Let's say payment.html. Okay, so the payment page is gonna give you option to pay on delivery or checkout. Okay, so I'm gonna design this page now. To do that, I'm gonna save this page again. I'll save it as my payment.html. Okay, so say payment, but I think I've left one thing out, which is what the title. Oh, I have been leaving out the title. Even here I leave out the title. Okay, so this title should be sign up, and this title should be request pickup. Okay, now I can save as payment.html. So I'm gonna change the title of the page to payment or parcel payment or payment or just payment is okay. So the title of the page is parcel payment, so we're gonna change the title here to parcel payment, right? Okay, so in the parcel payment, just information, we just need information of the parcel, right? So we're gonna change this sections. These sections, we're gonna divide it into two parts, which is so we're gonna change this section to a row like this with a padding, obligatory padding. Nope. Okay, so let's have a column. Say div.obligatory column, and this column should be okay. Let's say maybe it should be an L6, an M6, and what, an S what? Let's say S6 as well. Okay, and then we're gonna have, what do we have? We have the parcel weight, the parcel weight. So then we're gonna have another column analysis, the same settings, and then we're gonna have the weight here now, which is 3.2 kg. However, I think this should be bold, but this should be bold and this shouldn't. So so I have this. I'm gonna clear this. I just want to view the page, how it looks like. So if I refresh this and I click the next, yeah, so this is my payment page now. Yeah, okay. Parcel weight 3.2 kg. The next thing is pickup location. So I'm gonna duplicate this row now. So then I'm gonna change this to pick up location, and then I'm gonna bring in the okay, let's just copy this text here and paste it here. Okay, then the next is drop / delivery location. So I'm gonna pick up this one, duplicate this and change it to drop / delivery location. Next item is amount to pay. So again, we're gonna change this one to amount to pay, and that amount to pay is in red. So for example, we have 3,000. Let's say if it's 3,000, of course the unit has to be present, so maybe we'll say 3,000 NGN for Naira, and then the class will be W3 text red since we want it red. So refresh. Now the next thing we need is to introduce a W3 padding 16 to increase top and bottom padding on each of the row, top and bottom padding on each of the row. So to do that, I'm gonna just okay. Okay, so I'm gonna add on all the rows, I'm gonna add W3 padding. So I'm gonna highlight this row. I'm gonna press Ctrl D to highlight similar rows down the line. I guess this is last, and then I'm gonna press the right arrow key and press space. Then I will add W3 padding 16. Yep. Then I will refresh my page and see. Good, the space is there. Okay, so I'm gonna make this amount to be a little bit maybe bigger and bold because it has to be visible. So to do that, I'm gonna add W3 texture W3. Let's say W3 large, and this could be in a B tag. Okay, there you go. Now the next thing is the button. The button here, we have two of them. One says pay on delivery and the other says what, checkout. Okay, so I'm gonna change this next button to pay on delivery. So this is gonna be pay on delivery the no yeah no, this should be checkout. So let's say checkout, checkout, and then another button. Okay, so another button. I'm just gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna paste it, and this should be pay on delivery, pay on delivery. Okay, this is not gonna be okay. Let's look at our design. This is what we have. Okay, next to one another. Okay, in that case, let's see what we have. Let's refresh the page. Oh, just very close to one another, and because it's floated, the other button is so can I remove the float? Okay, let's remove the float. W3 right, W3 right, and then let's see W3. Oh, this is a no, this is section. Okay, W3 left, W3 right align, W3 right align. Okay, let's see what we have now. Refresh. Good, but then the space between this, so we could add a W3 margin left to this, no, margin right, W3 margin right. Okay, so let's see what we have now. Good, I think that's perfect. Okay, so we're gonna stop here today, and we'll continue tomorrow in our next video. So see you guys in the next video.